ఫైల్ అని ఎలా చెప్తారు, అలాగే వేర్ ఈస్ ద ఫైల్ ఈస్ అవైలబుల్ ఇన్ యువర్ బ్రెయిన్, యూ హ్యావ్ ఎ రోడ్ మ్యాప్ యాక్చువల్లీ. యూ హ్యావ్ వాట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ మీన్ రోడ్ మ్యాప్. నౌ Daniel, it's the right time. Kindly please explain the source code actually. Get ready sir. Let us spend here some time. ఇక్కడ కొంచెం టైం స్పెండ్ చేద్దాం చూడండి. It is very easy. It is very easy. First I will tell you what is the problem with the foundation level. What is the problem with what man? Foundation level. Then let me tell you the problem. That problem, how this project is solving, I will show you. You will get a clarity why this project structure came. Are you clear? Good. So initially let us just try to write. ఇప్పుడు మామూలుగా మనం ఏం చేద్దాం అంటే you guys just try to open a programs folder. That's still okay. And copy the data. Data ఎక్కడ ఉంది సార్ చెప్పండి? Inside of the data and inside of raw. Copy this file. That's still okay. Copy this file. That's still okay. It's okay. Cool. Are you with me or not sir? Good. Fine then. Now here let me write one small program. ఒక చిన్న ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాద్దాం చూడండి. Come on, can somebody help me? Now how to write a program to load CSV file? Import pandas as pd and df equals to pd dot read underscore csv, and here what is the file? Orders dot csv. Orders dot what exactly mean? CSV. And this is what exactly df. This is so called as a demo dot py. And go to the desktop, go to the programs, and let me just try to save this. Perfect man. Okay, let me run this code. Yeah. Let me run this code. We got an output. Happy. You are happy. But let me tell you. ఇక్కడ ఉన్న కొంచెం లిమిటేషన్ చెప్తాను చూడండి. What is the limitation here? ఇక్కడ మీకున్న లిమిటేషన్ ఏంటో చెప్పమంటారా? Then you'll tell me. This file name we should not hard code like this. File name we should not hard code like this. So file path separate గా మీరు ఎలా చేయాలి అంటే you can just have to come here in this location. అయ్యో yeah. Like this you need to type. దీన్ని ఏమంటాము అంటే complete path. What we need to call such a complete path actually. Like this we need to configure. Oh Daniel, so imagine right, so inside read underscore csv you should not hard code the file name. You have to create a separate variable and you have to specify complete path actually. You have to specify what exactly mean? Wherever escape character came, here you need to specify or. You need to specify what exactly? Or actually. Now file path you need to take and here you need to replace actually. First two point, are you clear? మీకు అర్థమైందా సర్జీ? Indirectly what we're doing, man, instead of telling this file where this file is available inside programs, where this program is available inside desktop, where desktop is available, blah blah blah, c drive. What drive? One more time. Remember this point. ఈ పాయింట్ గుర్తుంచుకోండి. We'll talk later. Program is running successfully. Program is running what man? What I done, I created a zip file and I have shared this file with you. Copy this, then copy చేసి imagine let us copy in D drive. Let us copy in what drive actually sir? D drive లో కాపీ చేద్దాం. Then so programs, what exactly mean? Programs, and if you are running this one, if you are what exactly mean? Running this one actually. Now so again this file you are able to get. Yeah, get ready. And here also you are getting. Here also what exactly mean you are getting. Let's just try to open this and you are able to see this one I guess actually. Are you getting or not sir? So the point will be here hard coding like this is not a good practice man. You have hard coded completely. That is not a good practice. Are you with me? Good. Let's move on. Now Daniel, in real time how to implement this one? Real time లో ఎలా ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేస్తాం ఏంటి అనేది నేను చూపిస్తాను చూడండి. Good. Let me tell you. అరే good. Daniel, I wanted to load CSV file. Then ensure 4 things you have to learn. Learn 4 things actually. 4 విషయాలు నేర్చుకోవాలి మీరు. What is the first one Saji? First one is so called as a current file you should know. Current file you should aware. What is the first one? Come on, one more time. What is the first one? The next one, current directory. The next one, project root. The next one, input file. The next one is what exactly mean? Input file. These 4 things you should aware. Let me repeat one more time. Do you want to load any CSV file actually? Then 4 things you should aware. First one, current file. Next one, current directory. Next one, project root. Next one, input file. I will tell you clearly, step by step నేను చెప్తాను చూడండి. Good. Let's just try to come to this program. ఈ program లో కొద్దాం చూడండి. Daniel, you can just try to comment these are all. ఇట్లన్నిటిని ఒకసారి కామెంట్ చేయి. Okay, I have commented this. I hope you know how to comment this code actually. Now we'll do one thing. Let me just try to copy current file. Sir, simple. You are running this program. Current file means always Python program. Chappan Sarji, current file means always what exactly? Python program. What is a Python program? Load underscore csv underscore file.py. Let's run the code. Oh, sir, program run cheddam chudandi. Daniel, why these many? Can you close these all? I can. Okay. Come on. Let me just try to open coding structure. Open load underscore csv. Now, I wanted to run the program. I wanted to run what exactly mean program. Where program is available? Inside src. Inside what exactly mean src. Where your program is available, open the command prompt and you can run. You can run actually. Yeah, good. Let me run this one. Exactly, sir. Whenever you are printing, what you are printing? Current underscore file. What you are getting output actually? Output ఏమొస్తుందో చూడండి. Complete path వస్తుంది చూసారా? Previously you hard coded as a C drive, but I am reading dynamically. I am reading what man? Dynamically actually. This is the file. What is the file? Load underscore csv file. Where it is available? Inside src. src is where it is available. Load underscore csv demo. This is where it is available. Blah 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 blah. Inside C drive. Dynamically you need to load. Chapna Sarji? Dynamically you need to load. If you are able to load dynamically like this, either this file is available in your program, in your laptop, my laptop, somebody laptop actually, that path it will be load dynamically. That path it will be load what man? In this computer, here it is a Daniel. In my computer, the username is a Nirikshan. Username is what man? Are you clear, Sachi? If you hard code like this, మీరు ఇలా గనక హార్డ్ కోడ్ చేసి అదే ప్రోగ్రామ్ ని నా ల్యాప్టాప్ లో రన్ చేస్తే, the same program if you are running in my laptop actually, code will be broke. Why? Username is a different. What is different? Are you clear, madam? I hope you got a clarity. Good. First of all, we are able to read the file name. We are able to read what exactly mean? Indirectly it is telling where is your location. My location is in src folder. Okay, good. Now I have a question for you. Where this file is available? Can somebody talk with me inside src? Right? That is nothing but a current directory. That is nothing but what directory? Let me print that. Then print cheddam chudandi. Don't worry, I will explain this code. You code explain chestanu, kangaru padaddu. Can I maintain some social distance? Man, please, let us spend some time. Oh, seriously, awesome. This one is called as a current file. Chappan Sarji, this one is called as a, one more time. This one is called as a current directory. This one is called as a, this is so called as a root folder, project root actual. That is so called as a project root. Okay. Now the third one is so called as a project root. Let me just try to copy that also. Sir, nothing, sir. One by one step we have back. ఒక్కొక్క అడుగు చేసుకుంటూ మనం వెనక్కి వచ్చాం. Good. This one is a file. Yeah, okay. This file where it is available? Inside src. This file where it is available? Inside load underscore csv demo. Why we came here, you know? Why? Because inside of this folder, data folder is available. What is available? That's what we came here. అందుకని మనం ఇక్కడికి వచ్చాం. Please understand that. Are you clear, sir? మీకు అర్థమైందా? Daniel, can you tell me why you are one by one step back actually? Why? Because you know, in your brain you have an idea where data folder is available. Data folder మనకి ఎక్కడ ఉంది? Data folder is available inside load underscore csv underscore demo. Now to get this path, we done these are all activities actually. Are you clear? Good. Once you get this one, what we need to do, you know, Sachi? At last we need to print input file path. I will explain one more time. Right. So this is project root. Okay. Project root actually. What is a project root? This one is a project root. For this project root, you need to add data folder. You need to add raw folder. You need to add, you know, so orders.csv. This is something like a joining actually. Come on, let me print. Now you get end-to-end structure. మీకు ఇప్పుడు end-to-end structure వస్తుంది. Any real-time project, this is the common. చూడండి ఇప్పుడు just because of we know this path actually, we are able to join. What is the first one actually? Data. What is the next one? Raw. What is the next one? Orders.csv. I believe you understand. మీకు అర్థమైందని నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను. Let me repeat one more time. నేను మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెప్తాను చూడండి. Let me delete everything. Let me repeat one more time. First, you should know the structure. Yeah. I have one small question. Just answer my question. What is the file name? Load_csv_file. Where it is available? Inside SRC. Go one step back. ఒక step వెనకెళ్ళండి. Oh, this is so called as a current directory. This is so called as what exactly mean? Current directory. What is the current directory name? SRC. Then come one step back actually. Yes, you are here. Right? This one is a current root project actually. What is the root project name? Load_csv demo. Why you are here actually? Why? Because you know data is available here. Yes, I wanted to enter into the data. Even I wanted to enter into the raw. Now you can see the structure. Now you can see what man? That's what you are entering into one by one step back actually. Then you are access the file. You are able to access what exactly? File actually. Now any questions here? Online team are clear? మీకు అర్థమైందా సర్జీ? Once you understand that, then open it. Then you will understand the logic. But explain the code. I will explain the code. Code explanation is noted then. Now keep file. Then so then CSV underscore what exactly mean? Demo. Good. What is input file actually? Input file ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఎక్కడ ఉంది? Now you can just have to take this one. Oh, then data, then raw, then what exactly? Orders.csv file. Can I tell you one time practice? ఒకసారి మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే మీకు క్లారిటీ వస్తుంది. జస్ట్ ఒకసారి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసి చూడండి, అమేజింగ్ ఉంటుంది ఫీలింగ్, రైట్? మీకు కావాలంటే ఇది నేను లెట్ మీ ఫుల్ఫిల్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. లెట్ మీ టేక్ దిస్. దిస్ ఇస్ సీరియస్లీ అవసరం. మీరు ఏం చేశారంటే ఇక్కడ వన్ స్టెప్ బ్యాక్ ఎస్ఆర్సి, వన్ స్టెప్ బ్యాక్ డెమో. Now once you know this one, you can create a bridge. Okay, instead of this one data, instead of the data raw, instead of this one CSV file. That's it, you done actually. If you done this one, you're right. To get this one, what we need to do, you know, in Python programming language there is a one module name is a OS. What is the module name? Module name is a OS means operating system, right? So instead of OS there is a sub module name is a path. What is the module name? Then there is a one more function name is a ABS path. What do you mean by ABS path? You know, absolute path. Chappan Sarji, I wanted to know exactly the absolute path where my program is available. Then you have to call one predefined attribute. That attribute name is a underscore file. Tell me Sarji, underscore file. అంటే మీరు రన్ చేసే ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా ఏ లొకేషన్లో ఉంది, ఆ కరెంట్ డైరెక్టరీ లొకేషన్ కావాలా, దెన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు రన్ దిస్ యాక్చువల్. Once you are getting this one, then I need a directory name. I need what name? Directory name. Then you need to pass this current file here actually. Then Daniel, I need a project root actually. For the same structure, this syntax మీరు ఇక్కడ తీసుకుని, then you have to pass current directory actually. Then you will get like this. And if you are running these three, I hope I have already specified here actually. Sir, once you are able to get this one, then you have to take the project root, os.path.join. It takes 4 parameters actually. How many parameters, man? 4 parameter. Can you tell me first one? Project root. Then I have to join. What I have to join? Data. I have to join raw. Then I have to join what exactly? Order_cs. Now let me enable actually. Now this input file path. This input file you have to pass to read_csv. In a foundation level, can you tell me? Orders.what exactly? CSV. Then both files should be in current directory. Both files should be in what man? But sorry for saying, this file is available where exactly? Inside project root, inside data, inside raw, inside of that one is available, right? So adi మీరు స్పెసిఫై చేయాలంటే you have to access this one actually. I believe you understand. మీరు దీన్ని separate గా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి, మీకు ఒక క్లారిటీ వస్తుంది. Are you with me, sir? Done. We done actually. If you are able to understand that, we done this. inside src you can run this code. ఈ కోడ్ రన్ చేయండి. Wow, this is seriously awesome. Seriously awesome. Good. Hold on. Open the code. You can just try to you do one thing. Now Daniel, what is the advantage of? దీని వల్ల అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఏంటి అంటే, let me print. Don't worry, in another 5 minutes I'm going to close. To understand this, it takes 2 days time for you. మీకు 2 రోజులు టైం పడుతుంది. That's still okay, but try to understand. Good. As of now, your project structure, your project where it is available inside? C drive. చెప్పండి సార్ inside C drive in the sense inside desktop. You do one thing. Copy paste your project. మీ project ని తీసుకోండి. Take your project. Take your what exactly mean project actually. And you can just have to go to computer. Go to what exactly? Computer, and here you can copy. ఇక్కడ మీరు copy చేయండి. Let's copy this. Now you can just have to come here. Now మీరు ఇక్కడ ఒకసారి రన్ చేయండి. అరే wow, did you notice actually? Can you tell me what is the root actually? D drive. I didn't hard code it actually. In hard code చేయలేదు. It is able to read dynamically. It is able to read what man? Now currently if your project wherever location it is able to read. అది చదవగలుగుతుంది ఆ ఫైల్ పాత్ అని. Okay, spend some time, you will get an idea. Previously, can you tell me if I am running from the desktop, what is the starting path actually? C drive. What drive? But where you copied now actually inside D drive. మీరు D drive లో కాపీ చేశారు. D drive లో what we done actually copy. Right. If you wanted to run the program, either you can run, but always you have to run from root project నుంచి run చేయాలి. Root project నుంచి run చేయాలి. ఎలా run చేయాలి అంటే in real time we are running like this. మనం real time లో run చేస్తాం. Are you clear, Sachin? Okay, good. Anyway, I believe you understand actually. You need to spend some time, Sachi. It's okay. మీకు కొంచెం time spend చేయాలి, practice చేయండి, you will get an idea. These are all you need to walk through. See, what is the main motto? Loading CSV file. How to load CSV file? Read underscore CSV. One single word actually. On an average, just a matter of more than 10 pages document. How many pages document? 10 pages. Here I kept everything. Real-time project structure, where is your code should be available, in discipline way, where your data is available, everything I have copied actually. Please do this practice. Like this, I have prepared almost many scenarios, but for you, I can explain 10 Panda scenarios, 10 machine learning, 10 Gen AI. Trust me, once you enter into the interview actually, if anybody is asking, where is your data, then the structure will come automatically. There is a project, inside of that project requirements is available, readme is available. Data is available, raw is available. Instead of raw, data is available, orders is available. If you are talking like this, that guy will understand you are from real time. You are from what man? Real time actually. I believe you understand. Daniel, why you are covering this one today? Why I am covering this one today? You are very good in beginner level. You are very good in what man? All examples you have to convert in this way. Then you will get a best practice. You manchi practice also. Did you understand, sir? Trust me, please prepare our material very nicely. Mana material chala sweet and short untundi. It's like a well structured and well organized actually. Sorry, walk through chain. Can I continue? You do one thing. Let me give a small assignment. Before coming for tomorrow, just to prepare this structure. This structure, sir, మీరు prepare రండి. Just to prepare this structure. Maybe yesterday I shared, I guess. It's okay. Done. Sir, done, sir. Okay. All right. Next project run చేయమంటారా? Just next project వచ్చి run చేయమంటారా? Okay. Let me copy this. Good. Then I need your help. What is the root project name? Root folder name? Number categorical separator. NUM_cat_separator actually. If I am opening this file. If I am opening this folder actually, guess the files, guess and files ఏమేమి ఉంటాయి? First one, requirements, very good. Next one, readme, next one data, next one a source. Very good, you should have an idea. I followed the same structure. In same structure follow. Why? For your better understanding. If I open the data, tell me, inside raw folder. What folder? Raw folder. Along with that raw folder, one more folder. What is that folder? Processed. Imagine the CSV file having missing value. I wanted to clean the missing value. That result I wanted to store separately in folder. Then you have to store in processor folder. You have to store in what, man? Processor folder. But anyway, this requirement will be, there is a data. In this data, we have a numerical data and categorical data. We have what data, man? Numerical data and categorical data. I wanted to create separate data frame, this one. I wanted to create separate data frame with numerical data, with what exactly? Categorical data. Then, I have created inside processor. Inside processor lo nenu em chesanu ante, let me just try to run this. Then ila unchandi. The moment whenever you are running the program, automatically files will be created inside processor folder. Can I tell you? These are all, again I will explain during project explanation. During what explanation? This is just for you, kind of some one-time explanation. Again, all thing I will explain. When? During project discussion. ఈ లోపు మీకు ఒక స్ట్రక్చర్ ఐడియా ఉండాలి. దట్స్ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయినింగ్ యాక్చువల్. చూడండి, వెన్ ఎవర్ యూఆర్ రన్నింగ్ దిస్ ప్రోగ్రామ్, ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ మీరు రన్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఆటోమేటికల్లీ ఇన్సైడ్ ప్రాసెసర్ యాక్చువల్ సీరియస్లీ సూపర్ ఫైల్స్ క్రియేటెడ్. వాట్ ఈస్ క్రియేటెడ్, మ్యాన్? Files created actually. If you want, let me delete one more time. Let me run the project. I'm giving small, numerical columns saved in so and so, blah, blah, blah. Okay, processor folder. What folder? Categorical columns saved in so and so data processor folder actually. Let's open numerical column. Very good. With numerical columns, I have created a separate CSV file. With categorical columns, I have created what, man? Separate CSV file. I'm closing the discussion. It's a real-time structure. What structure? Please follow this one. I believe you understand online team. Can I get a response from you? Meeku ardhamainda? Online team, I need one response, search it. Then good. I need to continue. Good. We done this. Let me give a small note for you, everybody. The same project structure I will explain again during project explanation. During what exactly, man? Project explanation. Let me give that note. During project discussion. Meanwhile, do the small revision. Meanwhile, do what exactly, man? Do kind revision. Sorry, revision cheyandi. Then this revision, it will be helpful for you to understand the project very clearly. And suddenly I will tell SRC folder. Suddenly I will tell data folder. I will tell raw folder. I will tell processor folder. If you don't know the structure, you may struggle. మీకు స్ట్రక్చర్ తెలియకపోతే మీరు స్ట్రగుల్ అవుతారు. దట్స్ వాట్ ఐ టోల్డ్ యాక్చువల్. నౌ వన్ క్వశ్చన్ ఐ విల్ ఆస్క్. ఇఫ్ ఐ గెట్ ఎ ప్రాపర్ ఆన్సర్, ఐ ఫీల్ సో హ్యాపీ. All libraries where we need to configure requirements.txt file. What file? Requirements.txt file. Why requirements.txt file? ఎందుకు అంటే అది, imagine I have created a project, sir. I have installed 20 libraries. How many libraries? You joined in my project as a newly joinee, right? So new ga meer na project lo join ayyaru. I need to say you have to install pip install pandas. I need to say you have to install pip install matplotlib. I need to say you have to install scikit-learn. Suddenly I got a phone call. I went outside actually. You have to wait until I come actual. But imagine if I created a requirements.txt file, you no need to ask anybody. Asalu meer evarni adagalsina pani ledu. Why? All libraries are configured in where actually? Requirements.txt file. That's the main motto. All project dependencies we have to configure inside requirements.txt. Then let's close the discussion. Let's close this topic actually. So now enter into Chapan Saji machine learning. Enter into what exactly? Machine learning. That's what you need to be understand. We are good to go. We are good to go actually. Okay. I believe you understand. మీకు అర్థమైందని నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఓకే, కెన్ ఐ కంటిన్యూ? మూవ్ ఆన్. మీకు ఒక చిన్న విషయం చెప్పమంటారా? గుడ్, ఐఎమ్ క్లోజింగ్ ద డిస్కషన్. లెట్ మీ టెల్ యూ వన్ స్మాల్ థింగ్. Everybody please make a note. Think like this one is the main hall. This one is what, man? Main hall. This is kind of some washroom. What exactly? Washroom. Right. You wanted to enter into another room actually. You wanted to enter into what exactly, man? Another room. Come one step back actually. Yes, exactly. Then you can come to what exactly? Main hall. Then from the main hall, you need to enter into room number 1, you need to enter into room number 2, and you need to enter into main location actually. This is something like if you know the route, అంటే మీకు ఆ రూట్ ఫోల్డర్ తెలిస్తే you can travel anywhere. మీరు ఎక్కడికైనా ట్రావెల్ చేయొచ్చు. That's the main motto. That's the main motto actually. Okay? Are you with me? Okay. Do little practice, you will get an idea. Back to the session. And everybody, I wanted to hear from you. What is a machine learning definition? Machine learning definition. Simple. First one, it is a technique. Chapman sir, it is a technique. It is very easy. Please focus on this. It is a technique. It is what exactly meant technique, right? So, which enables computers? Why it is enabling? To learn automatically. From what exactly? Past data. I like this format. ఇలా ఫార్మేట్ చేయడం అంటే నాకు చాలా ఇష్టం. ఓకే, come on, let us read one more time. It is a technique for what? Which enables computer. Why it is enabling? To learn. How it is learning? Automatically. From where it is learning? Past data. దానికి ఒక పాయింట్ ఉంటుంది. Okay, now today I need to start a new topic. The topic name is so called as a machine learning terminology. What is the topic name, Sarji? Machine learning terminology. Machine learning terminology. ML terminology. You can just try to come here, sir. You know, ML, data, and what, Sarji? Algorithms. Upcoming. ఎలా ఉంది ప్రాక్టీస్? ఎలా చేస్తున్నారు? డానియల్, ఎంఎల్ థియరీయే కదా, ప్రాక్టీస్ ఏం చేస్తాం అనుకుంటున్నారా? ఓకే, సో వీఆర్ ఎంటరింగ్ ఎంఎల్ కోడింగ్ లోకి ఎంటర్ అవుతాం. గెట్ రెడీ. సో ఎంఎల్ టెర్మినాలజీ ఖచ్చితంగా మీ ప్రాక్టీస్ మీకు బాగా హెల్ప్ చేస్తుంది సార్. వన్ డే ఇట్ హెల్ప్స్ యాక్చువల్. సిమ్స్ టు బి ఐ డిడెంట్ డూ ద రివిజన్. నేను రివిజన్ చేయలేదు కదా దేనికి? ఎంఎల్కి. గో బ్యాక్. డిడ్ యూ రిమెంబర్? చూడకుండా ఎవరు చెప్తారు? ఎంఎల్ ఫ్లో ఎవరైనా చెప్తారా? ఐ విల్ నాట్ పాయింట్ యూ. చెప్తారా? చెప్తారు సార్. చెప్పండి. డేటా సెట్ చెప్పండి. ఫ్లో చెప్పండి. ఎనీబడి? ఎంఎల్ ఫ్లో చెప్తారా ఎవరన్నా? చెప్పండి. డేటా సెట్, డేటా ఫ్రేమ్, ఫీచర్ ఇంజనీరింగ్, మిషన్ లెర్నింగ్ అల్గోరిథం, ఓకే ఓకే, ఒక నిమిషం సార్. అవి చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ అని నేను 2 days నుంచి చెప్తున్నాను. మీరు ఇదే ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వకపోతే నెలకి 50,000 రూపాయల సాలరీ ఎలా వస్తుంది మీకు? జస్ట్ ఇమేజిన్. ఐఎమ్ సారీ ఫర్ సెయింగ్. Once you join in company, I'm sorry. Once you no, I'm not pointing single. I am pointing everybody. Once you join in company they will give the documents like this. This you have to prepare. Very very mandatory. They will tell like this actually. Right? Please important actually. Don't neglect this one. మీకు డబ్బులతో కంపేర్ చేసేటప్పుడు మీకు కోపం వచ్చేస్తుంది కదా. వన్స్ యూ జాయిన్ ఇన్ కంపెనీ, ట్రస్ట్ మీ, దే ఆర్ గివింగ్ సాలరీ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ నాలెడ్జ్ ఓన్లీ. బికాస్ ఆఫ్ వాట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ మీన్ అవర్ నాలెడ్జ్. మన నాలెడ్జ్ మనం ఇంప్రూవ్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, ఐ డోంట్ నో, మీ గురించి నాకు తెలియదు కానీ ఇఫ్ ఐ గెట్ ఏ సమ్ ఫ్రీ టైం, నాకు కొంచెం ఒక 30 minutes ఫ్రీ టైం దొరికితే ఇలాంటి డాక్యుమెంట్స్ చేస్తాను నేను. ఇవి కాపీ పేస్టెడ్ కాదు సార్. కెన్ ఐ రిపీట్ అగైన్? దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ నాట్ కాపీ పేస్టెడ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఎవ్రీవేర్. దిస్ ఇస్ ప్యూర్ హ్యాండ్ మేడ్. మీకు రోల్స్ రాయల్ కార్ తెలుసా? వై దట్ ఈస్ ఎ స్పెషల్ యాక్చువల్లీ? ఇట్స్ నాట్ లైక్ ఎ మెషినరీ మేడ్ యాక్చువల్లీ, ఇట్స్ ఎ హ్యాండ్ మేడ్, హ్యూమన్ మేడ్ యాక్చువల్లీ. అవర్ మెటీరియల్ ఇస్ లైక్ దట్ ఓన్లీ. I used to spend some time, I used to very structure in a nice way. ఒక ఆర్డర్ లో తీసుకొస్తాను. దట్ ఆర్డర్ ఇట్ విల్ బి హెల్ప్ఫుల్ ఫర్ యూ. అది మీకు హెల్ప్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, ఎనీవే, సో లెట్స్ మూవ్ టు ద డిస్కషన్. Come on, let us read one more time everybody. Remember, definitely at certain point of time I will ask actually, tell me the ML flow actually. Come on, read everybody. Data set, data frame, feature engineering, array, machine learning algorithm, cost function, gradient descent algorithm, increase accuracy, decrease error, bias error, low bias, high bias, variance error, low variance, high variance. Very good. More than the next one actually. ML steps. Come and talk with me. Importing the libraries. Hold on. అక్కడికి వినపడాలి. అర్థమైందా? Come on, let us read actually. Importing the libraries, splitting the data set, model creation, model training, prediction. Good. Input, output, model and error. Input and output should be array format. Input should be column format. Output should be row format. Good model equals to low bias plus low variance. One more time. Low bias plus variance. Interview, they will ask actually, tell me what do you mean by good model? Immediately you need to tell low bias plus low variance. Even though if you don't know low bias and variance, they will think like, you already know the topic actually. Then in general, we need to tell good accuracy. And what exactly mean? Small error. Let me tell you, what do you mean by good person, He need to do 99% especially good activities. There is a 1 or 2 mistakes are acceptable. Can you find pure good person actually? Highly impossible, sir. Highly impossible actually, right? And good model equals to what exactly? Good accuracy plus small error. Small error is acceptable. If it is a large error, we have to fix. Error ganake ekkuva unte we have to fix actually. How? By applying fine tuning technique. Error never be zero. Error never be perfect, man. We done this. Now, maybe in between I have explained these are all, including the CSV file. Right. So, ML terminology. Can I open the material? Since a long I spoke with online team. Online team, let me show my face actually. Na mohan చూపించినాను సార్, చాలా రోజులైంది కదా. The topic name is a terminology. What is the topic name? Throughout the machine learning, I am going to use this terminology. Let me ask some terminology. You please tell what is the topic actually. Group by, which topic? Pandas, very good. And dictionary, which topic? See, based on the terminology, you are mapping to subject. You are mapping to what exactly, man? Here also, once we are entering into the machine learning, you should aware what do you mean by model, what is that training, how to train, model learning, what is that learning word actually, what is a pattern, before training, after training, test the model, blah blah blah. These are all you should aware, sir. These are all what exactly you should aware. To understand all these things, let me tell you one best example. Remember that example. This terminology you can remember automatically. You can remember what exactly mean automatically. Good. So let me introduce the terminology. What is the terminology, Please focus on below terminologies. Please. To understand ML terminology. Good. Guys, my father name is listen carefully. Is it important? Not important for you, but focus on this. My father name is Jeshwant. My father name is Jeshwant. His son name, his son name. He has 2 sons actually. He is a small son name. Small son. Chinna koduku. Tell me, sir, what is the name? Daniel and 2 years of old. Good, quite interesting. Let me tell you, 2 years is fine, right? Think like a 3 years of old. How many years of old actually? 3 years of old actually. Good. Small chota beta. I mean small son actually. Good. Now his father have a small concern. listen carefully. His father having a he's thinking like a small concern. A concern ఏంటంటే concern in the sense he's thinking about like this actually. I wanted to make my son as a intelligent. I wanted to make my son as what exactly? Intelligent. Now the problem statement. What is a problem statement? You know, Sarji. Problem statement is I wanted to train him. I wanted to what exactly? Train him how to recognize. How to what exactly? Recognize cat and dog. Oh, quite interesting. Please understand. What is the father name? Jeshwant. What is the son name? Daniel. And what is the problem statement? Trying to recognize what exactly? Recognize. Cat and what exactly? Dog. Can I tell you? Can I compare? మీకు ఇప్పుడు ML తో కంపేర్ చేయమంటారా? Story just shorted. Here Jeshwant is a data scientist. Oh, we are all data scientists. Daniel is a ML algorithm. Daniel is what? ML algorithm. Then definitely there should be a problem statement. There should be what, man? What is the problem statement actually? Train him to recognize what exactly? Did you understand? Comparison మీకు అర్థమైందా? Later I will compare. నేను లాస్ట్ లో కంపేర్ చేస్తాను. Follow this one actually. Now, though Jeshwant wanted to train Daniel to recognize cat and dog actually, my father is thinking like this. Can I gather all my street dogs and street cats actually to train him? It's highly impossible. It's highly. Why? Because you know how my father can call almost 20 dogs and 20 cats actually, 30 dogs and 30 cats. Then to make it clear this problem statement, my father went to shop. My father went to what exactly, man? Shop actually. Okay, my father went to shop. Why he went to shop? You know, sir, he bought almost 100 images actually. Oh, very good. How many images? 100 images belongs to. Chappan Sarji, 50 cat images and what exactly 50 dog images actually. Let me repeat again. What is the problem statement to recognize what exactly? Cat and dog. Then for the same problem statement, relevant data is required. Is the problem statement is e-commerce domain actually? E-commerce data is required. See, this 100 images is nothing but a data. 100 images nothing but what, man? Data actually. Then my father went shop actually and he collected almost 100 images, 50 cat images and what exactly 50? Quite interesting. Now my father came to home. Here onwards important actually. Please focus this one. My father came to home. Came to home actually. Came to home and called me. Called me actually. And he called me like, dear son, come here. Dear son, come here actually. Come here. Then I came, sir. How many years of old actually? Any సంవత్సరాలు నాకు చెప్పండి? 3 years actually. 3 years, right? Now I came, Sarji. And Daniel came. Now cinema started actually. Get ready to understand. Cinema is going to start. Now this is the conversation from my father. My father is telling, dear son, I am going to train you. What is a dog? What is a cat? My father is trying to explaining like this. Frankly speaking, I didn't understand what he is talking actually. But anyway, I should listen. Otherwise, he will beat actually. Enali, ledu ante kodtaru. Am I right? Good. Sir, what my father done, he taken one packet. In that packet, all images he had actually. He applied first operation. Listen carefully. First operation he applied. What operation he applied, Sarji? He applied shuffling operation. What operation? Shuffling operation. ఏ operation apply చేశారు చెప్పండి? One more time. Shuffling. Now here is a counter question. Daniel, can you tell me why shuffling? ఎందుకు shuffling ఎందుకు? ఇక్కడ shuffling ఎందుకు చేశారు? My father supposed to show the image. This is the cat. Supposed to show the image. This is the cat, like that actually. Let me tell you why shuffling. Shuffling ఎందుకో చెప్తాను చూడండి. Can I ask you a question? Total how many images? 100 images actually. Total 100 images. According to that shop guy actually, first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and keep on 50 images actually. How many images, man? 50 images belongs to the cat. The next one again, 51. The next one, 52. The next one, can you tell me? 100. How many? What images? Dog images. Imagine if my father started without shuffling. Listen carefully. If my father started training without shuffling, image number 1 is a cat. Image number 1 is a cat. Then image number 2 also what exactly? Yeah, very good. Image number 3 also what exactly? Cat. My father started training. First one he said cat. Second one he is saying cat. Third one he is saying cat. Now I will tell stop training actually. I will close my eyes and I will tell fourth one is a cat. Fifth one is a cat. Am I right? The training goes in wrong direction. Training goes in what, man? That's why what is required? Shuffling is required. What is required, man? Yeah, I believe you understand why shuffling actually. Very good. Very good. Can I ask you a question? 100 images is nothing but what exactly? Data. Once we collected the data, first we need to apply one operation. That operation is a shuffling operation. What operation? Are you clear, Sachin? Shuffling. Then second operation he applied actually, sir. Training is not yet started. He is applying these are all operations. Throughout the ML, I will ask, what is the first operation? Then you need to respond, shuffling. Tell me, what is the first operation? Shuffling. Second operation is a splitting. Second operation is what, man? My father is such an intelligent. He applied splitting. I thought he will start immediately training. But what my father done, you know? No. Let us not start actually. Let us apply shuffling. He applied shuffling. Shuffling అనేది తెలుసు కదా. మీరు కార్డ్స్ ఆడతారా? కార్డ్స్ ఆడినప్పుడు you need to what exactly? You know very good actually. How to play cards actually. Okay? Splitting. What kind of splitting he done, you know, Sachi? He split the data in such a way that 70% into, I mean, next one is the 30% actually. Quite interesting. Think like total 100 images, sir. He applied shuffling. After shuffle, what he done, you know, he divided the data 70-30 ratio. What ratio? Quite interesting. 70% he is telling, Daniel, the first to 70% he is telling, training data set, okay. Training data set actually quite interesting. I mean to say training images. What images actually? Training images. Remaining 30 images చెప్పండి. Testing images. What images actually? Testing images. The whole data set he divided into two parts. What is the ratio చెప్పండి sir? Ratio ఎంత? 70-30, right? And 70% of the imagine when I say 70%, 70 images belongs to the training images and remaining 30% belongs to what exactly, man? Perfect actual. Now training started. Training what exactly, man? Training started. Training what exactly? TRAINING. Training started actually. Good, hold on. Online team till now are you clear? మీకు ఇప్పుడు వరకు నేను చెప్పిన మొత్తం అర్థమైందా? We are going to start. Great example, man. Oh, good. Jalaja garu. Who can take 60-40 also? I will tell you why I have taken 70-30. 75-35 also, 25 also you can take. That's still okay. But my father liked that ratio, 70-30 ratio. Gautami garu, till now you are clear. If you want, let me compare slowly by slowly ML terminology. Here, Jaswant means data scientist. Jaswant means what? Daniel means ML algorithm. Daniel means what? To train ML algorithm, we need a data. First, we need to get a data. First of all, hold on. Though ML algorithm, then first you should know what is the problem statement you are going to solve. Tell me what is the problem statement. For that problem statement, there should be a relevant data. There should be. If it is an e-commerce problem, e-commerce data. Banking problem, banking data. Cat and dog problem, what data? Cat and dog data. I hope you understand. The training is not from buffalo donkey. What is the training actually? Cat and dog. Then cat and dog images only my father collected actually. Good. The next one. This is called as a data. What is on top of the data in real time? We need to apply first operation. What operation? Oh, shuffling operation. After shuffling, the next operation is splitting. What is the ratio? 70-30. What is the ratio? 70 belongs to training data set. 30 belongs to testing data set. నేను డేటా సెట్ అని ఇంక్లూడ్ చేస్తాను చూడండి. Such a nice explanation, sir. Super on the explanation. Right? Can I ask you a question? Training what exactly? Started. But let me tell you, Daniel, before training, this is very, very important. Before what exactly? Training. Before training. Can I tell you, sir, zero knowledge about cat and dog. Daniel having what exactly mean? Zero knowledge. Ante training start అయ్యే ముందు Daniel having what exactly mean? Zero knowledge about what? Cat and dog. It's a pure base example, man. We already know very well actually. Till that day, imagine I don't know. My brain don't know what is a cat and what is a dog actually. Sir, can I ask you a question? Training what exactly mean? Training started. Now though training started with what exactly, no? With the train data set. What data set, man? Train data set. Train data set how much percent? 70%. Yeah, you should remember. Training started from train data set actually. Image number one. My father is saying like this actually. What he is saying, dear son, this is the dog. This is what exactly? Dog. Dear son, please listen carefully. So I was sitting my father lap అంటే ఒళ్ళో కూర్చొని నేను చూస్తాను. Okay, image number one. My father explaining like this. The dog having the color like this actually. Okay. Dear son, this is the dog, right? This is called as a white dog. Let me just try to tell you. White dog. I mean to say white dog. Then my father talking about the small dog. Size he is telling. First one color he is saying. The next one size he is saying. The next one what kind of sound it will do he is saying. And the next one how many legs it is having he is saying actually. Man, these are all attributes. These are all what, man? Also called as a parameters. Also called as what, man? Parameters actually. Dog to dog parameters are different. Am I right? Dog to dog what is different? There are some big dogs who they have. There are some small dogs who they have. Medium dogs who they have. White dogs, black dogs, like that actually. Okay. Then image number two. Image number what exactly, man? 2 actually. Good. Stop the session here. ఇక్కడ ఒక నిమిషం ఆపండి. ఇప్పుడు వరకు నేను చెప్పింది అర్థమైందా? గుడ్. హోల్డ్ ఆన్. వాట్ ఇస్ ద ప్రాబ్లం స్టేట్మెంట్ చెప్పండి ఇక్కడ. టు ట్రైన్ cat on dog. Can you tell me to train what, man? Cat on dog. Only two things only. But to train only 2 things, how many images my father collected? Why? ఎందుకు అన్ని images? Why? Because Saji, more data, more knowledge. చెప్పండి. My father can go to shop and he can bought only 1 dog image, 1 cat image. Training will not go special. Training అంత మంచిగా జరగదు. ఎందుకంటే in my career I have seen only 1 dog and 1 cat actually. No. You cannot recognize other things. Yeah, exactly. Different type. Here what you need to understand is more data, more knowledge. I need a response from you. More data. That's what my father collected 100 actually. He may collect 1000 also. He may collect 10,000 also. But as per our scenario, 100 images is more than enough. Boss, అర్థమైందా మీకు? Yeah, let me continue. Image number 2. My father saying, though data shuffled actually. Suddenly he is my father showing the image. Okay, no prediction. Here this is the cat. This is what exactly meant? The cat. This one is a black cat. And so he is telling it is a kind of some big cat actually. Small, next one will be, it's okay. Large, big, I'm sorry. Big cat. Then what kind of sound it will do? And it is having the legs. It is having what exactly meant? Legs. And my father explaining about the tail. These are all blah, blah, blah. He is explaining it. The next one, image number 3. Image number what exactly meant? 3 actually. Can I tell you ఒక చిన్న పాయింట్ చెప్పమంటారు ఇక్కడ? This one is a dog. Big dog actually. Man, what happened, during training, during what exactly? This is the during what exactly training? Daniel, please understand, slowly gaining the knowledge. Gaining what exactly, man? This is very, very important actually. Best example, can I ask you a question? Daniel, machine learning algorithm. What algorithm? The total data divided into 70-30 ratio. Machine learning algorithm, we need to start training actually. Any ML algorithm before training, what knowledge actually, can you tell me? Zero knowledge. Machine learning algorithm is something like a human brain. Zero knowledge. Before training. Once training started, slowly by slowly, what happening, Gaining the knowledge. See, understand. Zero knowledge. Next one is what exactly mean? Gaining the knowledge. Slowly by slowly gaining what exactly mean? That is seriously super. Machine learning algorithm grabs the knowledge from the data. It will grab the knowledge actually. Oh my god, 10:46. Time చూడలేదు సార్ నేను. Okay, I will continue. Maybe I will continue for a few minutes, then I can. Is it okay? Anyone having login time? Please bear with me. Alright, the next one will be image number 4. Image number what exactly meant? 4, like this, and this one is a cat my father telling. Green, it might be wondering, oh, green cats also available? Yes, sir. I know actually. Okay, then move on. Then, sir, like this, I'm sorry, like this actually. Training data set. What is the last image in training data set? వెరీ గుడ్ సార్, దెన్ యూఆర్ ఫాలోయింగ్. ఎవరైనా 100 అని చెప్తే నేను పరిగెత్తి పారిపోవండి. యూ షుడ్ రిమెంబర్ యాక్చువల్. This one is what exactly, the last one is a dog. Next one is what exactly mean dog. Now training done. Training what exactly mean done? Can I tell you? Sir, after training, after what exactly training, Daniel gained lot of knowledge. This is important. Lot of what exactly? Throughout the ML, I will ask a question. What is the first operation? Shuffling. What is the second operation? Splitting. I will ask a question. Before training, zero knowledge. Tell me, sir. Before training, zero knowledge. After training, lot of knowledge. I will ask like this. నేను ఇలా అడుగుతూ ఉంటాను. ఓకే, ఆన్లైన్ టీమ్, I hope you understand. So all right, this I will continue tomorrow. The same story I will continue tomorrow. Here, Daniel, after this what happened? There is a big story again. Do you think training is over actually? No, it's not over. Part 2 I will cover tomorrow. Bahubali part 2. Okay. ఐ లైక్ ఇట్ సార్. టెక్నికల్ డిస్కషన్ ని ఒక జనరల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ లో కనుక ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తే మీ లైఫ్ టైమ్ లో మర్చిపోరు. దట్స్ వాట్ మై మెయిన్. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ లైక్ ఎంటర్టైన్ యాక్చువల్లీ. మిమ్మల్ని నేను ఎంటర్టైన్ చేయడానికి కాదు. ఐ డెన్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ R&D. టాపిక్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసేటప్పుడు నేను చాలా R&D చేస్తాను. నాట్ నో, ఐ డన్ లాంగ్ బ్యాక్. వీ డన్